In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up approval flows in ClickUp. If your team needs a clear, repeatable way to request, review, and sign off on work, this walkthrough will give you a simple structure you can reuse across your organization. Start by creating a dedicated home for approvals so everything lives in one place. Open ClickUp, head to the Spaces area, and create a new space named Approval Processes. Inside that space, add a folder called Approvals. This folder will become the central hub for every approval workflow your business runs, so everyone knows exactly where to look. Within that folder, create a separate list for each approval category you manage. For example, you might set up marketing approvals, finance approvals, or content approvals. Each list will hold the tasks that need sign-off in that specific area, making it easy to keep context clean and stakeholders focused on what matters to them. Next, define how work moves from request to decision. Open the list settings and customize the statuses to match your flow. A simple and effective set includes submitted, in review, approved, and rejected. These statuses make progress visible at a glance and help your team avoid bottlenecks. Create a reusable approval request so no one is guessing what to include. Add a new task titled Approval Template and build a checklist with the key steps. Tasks submitted for approval, internal review completed, feedback provided, final approval given, and task executed or published. Save this as a task template so every request starts consistently and nothing slips through the cracks. Assign the right people to keep momentum. Add approvers as assignees. And if your process requires multiple sign-offs, break it into subtasks, such as manager approval, finance approval, and final execution. This keeps responsibilities clear and timelines realistic. For extra clarity, use custom fields. Add fields for approval type, priority, approval deadline, and notes or comments from approvers. These fields make it easy to filter, sort, and report on what needs attention. By the way, if you need ClickUp, you'll find the download and website link right at the top of the description so you can follow along. Use different views to track approvals the way that suits your team. Board view gives you a Kanban-style snapshot of tasks moving through statuses. Table view helps you filter by approver, type, or deadline. Timeline or Gantt view shows how approval deadlines line up across tasks. Finally, when a new request comes in, duplicate the approval template, update the title, due dates and assigned approvers, then move it through the workflow until it's completed. That's it. Your approval flow is set. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.